Okay, folks, one other thing on the installation front, this afternoon, we'll want you to be able to run dynamic simulations. And the easiest simulator to get installed is MetaDrive. Scenic has the very simplistic Newtonian simulator installed, but it's very basic. It's really for debugging. So MetaDrive is better. So if you go down to libraries and simulators, we've got this section, supported simulators. And you can see the simulators that we support here. And so MetaDrive is here. The easiest way to install it is to add the MetaDrive extra when you did pip install Scenic. So the instructions that we were just giving you for doing the editable install, like from your local repository that you cloned, it said pip install dot for the current directory. If you just add square brackets MetaDrive after that, you might have to put it in quotes, then it will install MetaDrive as well, if it's available for your machine. It may not be if you're using a too new version of Python. And also there are issues with it on Apple Silicon. So if you have Apple Silicon, see a bunch of Macs here. Then after running this, we have down here a note, current version has problems, blah, 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 blah. So you can run this to install it directly from their repo. And you'll get a newer version which fixes it on Apple Silicon and things like that. So I would try just to add the square brackets MetaDrive first. But if you encounter issues there, you can try this other command. This is all in the section on MetaDrive in the supported simulators page. If you have issues, we're happy to help out.